Hey Samuel, I was reading about different methodologies that promote active learning, and I think we should try some of them for our studies.
That sounds interesting. I know active learning is all about engaging with the material instead of just memorizing it, but what specific methods are you talking about?
There are quite a few, but here are 5 that I think are super effective: think, pair, share, problem-based learning, pair teaching, gamification, and case-based learning.
Oh, nice. I've heard of some of those. Let's go through them one by one. What's think, pair, share?
It's a simple but powerful strategy. First, you think about a question or topic on your own, then you pair up with a classmate to discuss it, and finally, you share your thoughts with a larger group or the class. It helps you process the information and hear different perspectives.
That's a good one. I feel like when I discuss ideas with someone, I understand them better. What about problem-based learning?
That one's great too. Instead of just listening to a lecture, students are given real-world problems to solve. You have to research, analyze, and come up with solutions, which makes the learning process more interactive and meaningful.
Oh, like in science class when we had to figure out how to clean polluted water using different filtration methods. That was way more interesting than just reading about it in a textbook.
Exactly. Now, the third method is peer teaching, where students teach each other. When you explain a concept to someone else, it forces you to break it down in a way that makes sense, which helps both you and the person learning from you.
I've actually done that before. I was struggling with algebra, but when I helped my little brother with his math homework, I realized I understood the concepts better than I thought.
See? Teaching reinforces learning. Now, the fourth method is gamification, using game-like elements in learning. Things like quizzes, competitions, or even educational apps can make studying more engaging.
Oh, I love that. Our teacher sometimes does quiz competitions in class, and I always remember those questions better because they're fun and competitive.
Exactly. The last one is case-based learning, where you study real-life scenarios related to the subject. It's especially useful in subjects like business, law, and medicine.
Yeah, I've seen that in history class too. Instead of just memorizing facts, we analyzed letters from World War II to understand what people were going through at the time. That made history feel more real and interesting.
That's a perfect example. So, to recap, think, pair, share helps with discussion and collaboration, problem-based learning makes us solve real issues, peer teaching strengthens our understanding, gamification keeps us engaged, and case-based learning connects theory to real-world applications. These all sound so much better than just rereading a textbook. We should try them while studying for our next test.
Definitely. Active learning for the win.